Welcome back to another episode of Tech Tides, the podcast where we dive deep into the fascinating world of technology, innovation, and everything in between. I'm your host, and today we're going to explore a remarkable piece of history in the realm of artificial intelligence, ELIZA, the very first chatbot created by Joseph Weizenbaum back in the 1960s. So here's a quick snapshot. The original ELIZA was built at MIT, and it wasn't just designed to push the boundaries of AI. Actually, Weizenbaum's main goal was to demonstrate how easily humans can be deceived into thinking they're interacting with something intelligent, even when it's just a simple program. Crazy, right? Imagine chatting with a computer and genuinely believing it understands you. Let's unfold the story. ELIZA operates based on scripts. Essentially, these are like rules that allow the program to respond to user input. The most famous of these scripts is called Doctor, which mimics a psychotherapist. The clever part is that by using simple pattern matching, ELIZA can reflect back parts of what you say in ways that feel meaningful. It's like having a conversation, but with someone who only has a handful of responses memorized. Now, what's fascinating today is that I've come across a modern implementation of ELIZA, recreated in C++, and it's making waves. This version is a console application that lets users type in responses and gets replies in real time. The creator even went through the journey of making improvements after finding the original source code of ELIZA, which is quite the impressive follow-up to the original. There's something poetic about how we can rewrite history through technology, isn't there? Also, this developer added a new way for ELIZA to interact, with serial I/O capability to run on an ASR33 teletype. Talk about taking it back to the roots of computing. And there's more. This modern version not only pays homage to the past, but also demonstrates a key idea. ELIZA is Turing complete. For those who might not know, that means it has the ability to perform any computation that can be described algorithmically. Just imagine how mind-blowing that was back in the 60s. Interestingly, there are even collections out there that document conversations and scripts related to ELIZA. If you're curious, I encourage you to check out elizagen.org for a treasure trove of information. And a big shout out to the collaborative efforts happening around ELIZA. There's a book in the works and a community devoted to digging deeper into its legacy. So as we wrap up today's discussion, let me leave you with a thought. What does the story of ELIZA tell us about our relationship with technology? Are we getting better at recognizing the difference between genuine interaction and simulation? Or do we still find ourselves drawn into these illusions? Thanks for joining me today on Tech Tides. Until next time, keep questioning and continue to explore the intricate worlds of technology and human experience.